Let us start. Question number 3. The figure is given in your textbook. Data is also given. It is given that the figure LM parallel to BC, and here in this triangle ADC, LN parallel to CD. Prove that AM upon total AB, that is equal to AN upon total AD. Okay. Now see. Proof. We use theorem number 6.1, that is Thales theorem, and it is converged continuously. So here take triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, given that LM parallel to CB, given. If LM parallel to CB, then AM upon AB, that is equal to what? AL upon AC. If you select AM, you have to select AL, then upon AB, then here select AC. So AM upon AB, that is equal to AL upon AC. Result number 1 you can write by Thales theorem. Is it okay? Now take another triangle ADC. In triangle ADC, LN parallel to CD given. Therefore, AL upon AC equal to AN upon AD. AL upon AC equal to AN upon total AD. Again by Thales theorem. So from 1 and 2 compare. From 1 and 2. AL upon AC. Here also AL upon AC. So I can write AM upon AB is equals to AN upon AD. Hence we proved it. Okay. So question number now 4. Again figure is given 6.19. Triangle ABC. AE. DF. Join this. What is the data? In figure, DE parallel to AC and DF parallel to AE. To prove BF upon FE, that is equals to BE upon EC. Check it. DE parallel to AC. This DE parallel to AC. So don't take this. Okay, this is for your convenience. In triangle ABC, DE parallel to AC given. If DE parallel to AC, then sides are in same proportion. We take what? BD upon AD, that is equals to BE upon EC. BD upon AD, BE upon EC. Result number 1 by Thales theorem. If you forget to write this, or if you forget the name, which theorem is Thales or not, then you can write by theorem only. Okay. Now see. Here also given DF parallel to AE. For your convenience, I remove this. In triangle ABC, DF parallel to AE given, right? If DF parallel to AE, then ABE in triangle ABE. DF parallel to AE. I can write BD upon AD. That is equals to BF upon FE. Result number 2 by Thales theorem. So from 1 and 2, BD upon AD are same. So these and these are same. Left sides are equal. So I can write right sides are equal. BE upon EC equals to BF upon FE. See here, BF upon FE, that is equal to BE upon EC. Hence, proof. Number 4. Now number 5. In figure, DE is parallel to OQ. Diagram is given. PQR, EF, O, D. What is the data? In figure, DE parallel to OQ and DF parallel to OR. To prove EF parallel to QR. See, first we start with this DE parallel to OQ. Okay? DE parallel to OQ means select triangle PQO or POQ. In triangle POQ, DE parallel to OQ given. If DE parallel to OQ, then sides are in same proportion. So PE upon EQ, that is equals to PD upon DO by theorem. Result number 1. Second, DF parallel to OR. So take triangle POR. In triangle POR, DF parallel to OR given. Therefore, PF upon FR, that is equals to PD upon DO by theorem, Thales theorem. Result number 2. From 1 and 2, PD upon DO, right side, here also PD upon DO. So you can compare this to PE upon EQ equals to PF upon FR. Okay? See, PE upon EQ equals to PF upon FR. Sides are in same proportion in triangle PQR. So EF is parallel to QR according to converse of Thales theorem. Therefore, EF parallel to QR. Reason converse of Thales theorem. And hence we prove this. 6th number question. In figure, again figure is given triangle PQR. Another triangle ABC is there. And this is A, B, C, O. What is the data? See the textbook, page number 129. A, B, C are points on A, B and C are points on OP, OQ and OR respectively, such that AB parallel to PQ, AC parallel to PR, to prove BC parallel to QR. See here properly. We want to prove what? BC parallel to QR. Find out BC and QR. Find out in which triangle it lies. BC parallel to QR we want to prove. So BC and QR lies in triangle OQR. Okay. If you prove that in triangle OQR, if you prove that sides are in same proportion, then according to converse of Thales theorem, we can say that BC parallel to QR. Which sides? OB upon QB, OC upon CR, or OB upon OQ, OC upon OR, then BC is parallel to QR according to converse of Thales theorem. See, now what is given? Start with it. AB parallel to PQ. AB is parallel to PQ. Now select triangle OPQ. In triangle OPQ, AB parallel to PQ given. Okay? If AB is parallel to PQ, then sides are in same proportion. Which sides select? See this triangle. O, P, Q, A, B. I can select like this: OA upon AP, that is equals to OB upon BQ. By Thales theorem, result number 1. Second is given AC parallel to PR. So we select triangle OPR. In triangle OPR, AC parallel to PR given. If AC parallel to PR, then sides are in same proportion. Which sides? OA upon AP, that is equals to OC upon CR by theorem. Result number 2. So from 1 and 2 compare. OA upon OP, left sides are equal, so right sides are also equal. OB upon BQ equal to OC upon CR. Check this. OB upon BQ equal to OC upon CR. So in triangle OQR, sides are in same proportion. OB upon BQ equals to OC upon CR. Therefore, BC parallel to QR according to converse of Thales theorem. Hence we proved. Is it okay? Question number 6. Right? Understand it very well. and write down.